Hello, it's Jim Ames with New York City DNS, and today I'd like to review with you my progress on my DNS traffic monitor. I've been working pretty hard over the last few weeks to get some functionality going with this system, and I have a lot of exciting things that I'd like to share with you today. So just to recap, what I'm trying to accomplish with this system is there's a great big problem out in the real world, and that problem is DNS tunneling. And DNS tunneling allows bad actors to exfiltrate data from your systems completely undetected. Not only that, they can tunnel back in from the internet to your infrastructure, and you will never know about it unless you have the proper systems in place. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to develop a system that'll run at the workstation and server level. It'll constantly monitor for any kind of suspicious DNS traffic, and it'll sound an audible alert when it's detected. Now that's good, but what if there's not people around to hear that alert? We need something a little more robust. We need email alerts, we need text alerts, but I think most importantly what we need is we need cloud logging. So I've implemented that in the last 24 hours. So now I'm going to give you a demonstration today of the system detecting abnormal DNS traffic, sounding an audible alert, and sending that to the Amazon cloud. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. We're going to open up some terminal sessions and get rid of my advertisement here. Over here, I have an agent running. It's the Wireshark. This is constantly monitoring for abnormal DNS traffic. If it detects it, it logs it to a certain log file. And then I have Amazon Cloud Services installed in this computer now, and it's pushing this log file up to the cloud. So over here, you can see the Wireshark output. That's anytime abnormal DNS traffic is detected. That's being popped to the screen for debug purposes right now. Then over here is a DNS traffic generator in this screen. This uses the DNS Cat open source software, which is a DNS tunneler. And I have a command and control system that I built out on the internet. And this is the client for the DNS tunneler trying to connect to my command and control system. So let's go ahead and fire that off and generate some traffic and see what happens.
Alert. 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 Alert.
So as you can see, it immediately detects suspicious DNS traffic and sounds an audible alert. That's great, but wouldn't it be great if we could see the logging to the cloud in real time? Let's take a look at that right now. So I'll go ahead and turn on the DNS traffic generator by running the client, and now we're going to go see the Amazon cloud.
Alert.
So we flip over here,
Alert.
we go to the cloud.
Alert. Alert.
You see my ThinkPad.
Alert. 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 Alert.
And you can see the new alerts popping in real time. How about that? Let's do that again. That was fun. Let's see that one again.
Alert. 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 Alert.
How about that? We have cloud logging now. That's quite an accomplishment. I have to tell you, I'm pretty pleased with myself. That's going to enable us to do all kinds of artificial intelligence analysis of the traffic. Now we're going to be able to grab onto these logs and do alerting through email and text alerts. We're going to have all kinds of fun. We're going to be able to make graphs. So we'll continue on with this project, but I wanted to give you this update for my DNS traffic monitor. And thanks for following my series.